Have you ever wondered how a tiny red cell floating in your blood can decide whether you feel energetic or completely exhausted? Red blood cells, or RBCs, are like oxygen couriers of your body. But what happens when these couriers go on strike? Let's find out. Red blood cells, or erythrocytes, make up about 40 to 45% of our blood. Their job is simple but vital. They carry oxygen from the lungs to every cell and return carbon dioxide back. They owe their red color to hemoglobin, an iron-rich protein that binds oxygen like a magnet. Today we are going to talk about red blood cell disorders. RBC disorders are conditions where the number, shape, or function of red blood cells is abnormal. These disorders can cause too few RBCs, too many RBCs, or defective RBCs that can't work properly. There are many types of RBC disorders. Like anemia that causes too few or poorly functioning RBCs. Polycythemia in which there are too many RBCs. Hemoglobinopathies, structural or functional problems in hemoglobin. Let's start with the star of the show, anemia. When hemoglobin levels drop below normal, tissues don't get enough oxygen, causing fatigue, pale skin, shortness of breath, and dizziness. Types of anemia include iron deficiency anemia, the most common type, caused by low iron intake or chronic blood loss. Megaloblastic anemia, it is due to deficiency of vitamin B12 or folate. RBCs become large and immature. Hemolytic anemia, in hemolytic anemia RBCs are destroyed faster than they are produced, often due to autoimmune causes or hereditary conditions. Aplastic anemia, in which bone marrow fails to produce enough RBCs, a serious but rare condition. So, next time you feel tired for no reason, maybe your red cells are trying to tell you something. On the other end of the spectrum, we have polycythemia, where your body produces too many RBCs. This makes blood thicker and can lead to clots, strokes, or heart attacks. It is also of two types. Primary OE polycythemia vera, which is a bone marrow disorder. Secondary polycythemia due to chronic hypoxia, like in smokers or people living at high altitudes. Then come the hemoglobin disorders like sickle cell anemia and thalassemia. Here, mutations in the hemoglobin gene change the shape or structure of RBCs. Sickle-shaped cells get stuck in vessels, causing pain and blockages. Thalassemia reduces hemoglobin production, leading to chronic anemia and bone deformities. Diagnosis and lab perspective. From a laboratory technologist's view, diagnosis involves CBC, complete blood count, for RBC count. HB, MCV, MCH. Peripheral smear to observe RBC morphology. Respiratory count for bone marrow activity. Iron studies, vitamin B12, and hemoglobin electrophoresis for specific causes. RBC disorders may seem complex, but understanding them gives us a clear window into how our blood keeps us alive and active. So, keep your iron levels balanced, eat healthy, and never underestimate those tiny red heroes. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with your fellow lab enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to Medical Lab Simplified for more medical insights every day.